So I'm Melissa Palmer. I am the business development manager for Grace Hill.
So, my name is Stephanie Anderson. I'm the Senior Director of Content Strategy over at Grace Hill, where I've been serving for the past 7 months.
Right. So back in the day, it was kind of like a checkbox. You had to have this inspection list. It was this dreaded time where, it's the quarterly inspection and we've got to go in and we've got to check this box and check that box. And it's really so much more than that. You can catch things before they become bigger problems, kind of as I just mentioned. Maybe you find, a leaky faucet. It's just a small issue now that you can correct fairly inexpensively. But if you haven't seen that, sometimes residents don't call things in. I mean, people would be surprised, but it's true. And so, you can take care of something before it grows into a bigger, costly repair and issue.
And then I think that it just helps you to preserve the asset long term. So when you go into budgeting season for your next year, you really want to come forward with notable expenses that you feel like are really going to impact your budget so that you can plan accordingly for that. And of course, you're never going to prevent everything. When you think about your bottom line for NOI, it is difficult to predict it, but the more prepared you are with your planning through things like inspections, you're really going to set yourself up for success.